Hello, Ewo. Today we want to talk about girl child. Why do we want to talk about a girl child? Girl child is precious children. Yes. If you have a girl child, I want you to be happy. Girl children are intelligent children. Girl children are children that remember home. They don't do without their parents. They love their parents a lot. Girl children are expensive in training. You cannot, what you use in training a man is not what you're going to use in training a girl. You want this girl child. They are precious. And when something is precious, you need something to bring them out. You need something to make them, their color come out well. A girl child, we take makeup. A girl child, we select, some of them select food. Girl child, you take good care of them in school so that they will not misbehave. Yes, if you take care of them, give them money, adequate money, they support, they need it. They will not be looking at any man outside. That they are going out should not be because they don't have. You know, when we say some of these things, if you train a girl child well, you will know everything about the girl child and you will enjoy the girl child. Teach a girl child how to cook. Some people will come to this my video now and say, what of male? I'm not talking about male children today. I'm talking about girl children. Teach a girl child how to cook. And he will cook more than you. Whatever you give a girl child, that girl child will give you, will add it and give you. Teach a girl child how to take care of you, take care of herself. Tomorrow, she will be the one to take care of you. So some men that are following me, that's why a lot of men lose. When you are not close to your girl child, you will lose in future. Why? Do you know that it's these girl children that even when you have issue with your wife, yes, they will side, they don't leave their parents, they don't leave their mom, but they still take care of their dad. But when it's the boy, girl, the other boy child, they may definitely delete their father completely. I'm telling you, that's the truth. I've seen a lot of places. Girl children are important at home. Unlike olden days when our forefather would come and say, no, don't train them in school. When you train them in school, they are another family. Girl children are even the one that take care of their parents more than the male children today. Some of them. There are still male children that are able. I've seen them. Girl children are important. And when they grow up and become a wife, girl children they start loving when they are girl children. They love their mother, they love their father, they love their assemblies. They move on. This same love, they give it to their husband. It's not easy for a male child to love. And that's why God has said that a man should love a woman, because he knows it's difficult for them. If you get a girl child who is loving and also who can respect, oh my God, wow. Let's teach our girl children how to respect parents. Yes, teach them how to respect. You know, yes, in this country, Nigeria, marriage is ups and down. It didn't give women power. It's like women are being maltreated, not everywhere. There are still good men that when they get this kind of girl child, they don't joke with them. They show them, just like David got a Chioma. But we cannot really use David wedding to marriage to give example. That's because they have not lived long. After I will even use my own, because I told you my own wedding is greater than David's wedding. Why do I say that? 25 years ago, I have a lot of experience, and I will still come out here to tell you that my marriage is the best, my husband is the best, my family is the best. Why? The guy is sweet. Are you in a sweet marriage? Or you want to build a sweet marriage? You will get the video very soon. Just do what I'm telling you. You will come back here to thank